Hi there and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Sabina from Contabo, and in this quick guide we'll show you what to do when your server is experiencing high CPU usage and how to fix it fast. Whether you're using Linux or Windows, let's walk through the steps together. First things first, let's find out what's causing the high CPU usage. On Linux, use htop or htop to see real-time CPU activity. On Windows, open Task Manager and check the Processes tab. Look for any processes eating up too much CPU, especially services like Apache, MySQL, or anything unfamiliar. If a known service is misbehaving, the quickest fix is often a restart. On Windows, you can stop or restart services from the Services app. Next, let's reduce unnecessary load. Remove unused plugins, disable heavy background jobs, and keep your system updated. Also, if you're running WordPress or database-heavy app, optimizing your database can make a big difference. Unusual CPU spikes can also mean malware or abuse. Run a quick security scan. Check open ports, running users, or strange traffic. You want to rule out crypto miners, bots, or brute force attacks. Once fixed, set up a monitoring tool like Netdata or a server dashboard to keep an eye on things. And if traffic keeps growing, maybe it's time to scale up your VPS or use load balancing. So here's the quick recap. Check what's using CPU. Restart or disable unnecessary processes. Clean up and optimize. Scan for abuse and monitor or scale your setup if needed. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more Contabo tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!